Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So please subscribe and watch from time to time. This is a Maths Olympiad algebra question. Solve x square plus x minus 2 whole cube plus 2x square minus x minus 1 whole cube equals to 27x square minus 1 whole cube. You can factorize, we can take x minus 1 as a factor. So there is a different method, but I am showing another method. Let a equals to x square plus x minus 2, b equals to 2x square minus x minus 1, and let c be 3 times of x square minus 1. So the question transformed to a cube plus b cube equals to c cube, or a cube plus b cube minus c cube equals to 0. Now another thing we can observe that here a plus b equals to x square plus x minus 2 plus 2x square minus x minus 1 equals to 3x square minus 3, which is nothing but your c. So a plus b equals to c, or a plus b minus c equals to 0. We know that when a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3 times of abc, and c is negative c here. So a cube plus b cube plus negative c whole cube equals to 3 times of a, b into negative c, and this is equals to 0. That means negative 3abc equals to 0, or abc product is 0. What is a? A is we have taken here. So from this condition we can write either a is 0, that means x square plus x minus 2 is 0, or this is x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 is 0, or taking x common, x plus 2 minus 1 taking common, x plus 2 is 0, or that is x plus 2 into x minus 1 is 0. That means x equals to minus 2 and 1. Coming to second case, that is b is 0. That means 2x square minus x minus 1 is 0. This gives us x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 is 0, or x is equals to 1 and x is equals to negative half. So from this we are getting x equals to minus half and 1. And the third one, c is 0, means your x square minus 1 is 0. So x is equals to minus 1, 1. So x is equals to, final answer is negative 2, negative 1, negative half and 1. There are 4 solutions of this question. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.